Come test drive the 2013 CR-V. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, tire pressure monitoring system, fog lights, retractable cargo cover, 5-piece automatic transmission with overdrive, body color door handles, compact spare tire, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, security system, cruise control, map lights, cargo area light, child-proof rear door locks, floor mats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.